Very good evening to all. Another important session of our theory of computation. We'll continue the part 10 for theory of computation 300 question series. I hope you are practicing well with this series. Before beginning, let me help you to follow my classes. Use this URL and click on follow button to follow my classes. You will get notifications if you click on follow button, and you see that this year ranks on Academy, and Unacademy is giving you one more opportunity, like till August 28th this offer is available. The price which is mentioned earlier, 8,499, still available for that 6 month duration. You can access all the classes on Unacademy. This offer is valid till August 28th. Code that you should use CSDA to avail this. And also, if anybody want to prepare for 1 year, you can take 11,999 offer you have right now. So now you will get an access to both computer science as well as data science courses, the same subscription. 9,999 you have 9 months access and the same code, and the valid till August 28th. And also, if anybody wanted to prepare for long duration like 2 years or 3 years, also having the offer on Academy right now, 70,499 for 2 years, and 3 years 20,999. The code is a common for every subscription that you should use. Okay, offer is valid till August 28. So the new batches which are started on Academy, like from 25th August for data science. Computer science also started. You can enroll to these courses once you take the subscription. Click on enroll now button so that you can get the class links in schedule button. Now test series is already launched. If you are already enrolled to this test series, then fine, you just go with the head with the corresponding test. You can practice regularly. Yes, if you are not yet taken the test series and you are not an Academy student, or you have not taken any subscription, then you can also purchase separately at 1499 by using the code CSDA. So you will get access to the test series for CSIT. If you want data science also, you need to purchase separately at 1499. Same code you can use, but you will get an access to DS and AI. Let's begin the first question, that is 22. I've given homework for this, right? Language L generated by the following CFG. Now it could be very difficult to write an expression for any of this language, and some of them would be easy, but like complement of WW, complement of WW power R would be very difficult to write an expression. But what you can do, when somebody given context free grammar, easy to match with the corresponding language. How? If you want to look at each option, this option, what are the strings you will have? Epsilon, next double A, next double B. Take up to 5 strings, because up to 3 strings so many will match. Let's see this one also. If it is WW having this and its complement will not have this, right? Like it will have A, it will have B, it will have AB, it will have BA, and so on. Right. In reverse, the same strings will match. Let's see. Even let's write epsilon, double A, double B, and up to here it is matching. Then very difficult to eliminate these two options if they left. Okay, we'll see that if they are not left, then we no need to worry about it. This one, other than this reverse of WW power R, set of even length palindromes, its complement. What will be there? What are not here? A is not here, B is not there, AB is not there, BA not there. See, these two are very difficult to eliminate if one of them left here. So now we just leave it and we'll try to identify proper one. What is the minimum string that you can get? S to A to small e. So small e is there in which of them? It's not here, it's not here. So A and C you can eliminate. Now the problem is B and D. Just find out one string which is different in both of them. So what could be different in both of them? ये बात समझना, what could be different in both of them? Just look at one string which is different in both of them, or different in both of them, its complement also will see the difference. Okay, WW I'm just writing here. If you write AB, then reverse AB again you should write here. AB is present here, then its complement, definitely this should not be there. Correct? and here AB will not be there. So in its complement, definitely AB will be there. To understand how did I find? So WW contain AB because W is AB, other W is AB. And its complement definitely will not have AB. If you try to write AB, it will not, because a WW already has, already has AB, so L complement will not contain. Now here you look at WW power R, this AB is not, ABBA will be there. So AB is not there, its complement should be there. So now AB is a key to identify B or D option. If this grammar generates AB, then choose D. If not generates, choose B. So can you generate AB here? That's all you need to worry about. So can you try that? AB. So now if I go to capital A, I'll get odd length, right? XAX and XX, you can put any length, but A is a small a, so odd length will come if you go to this 2. This 2 will give you all odd lengths. But we want now even length. Okay, even length you can generate from here. You want to start with A, right? I want to verify AB only. Is it generated or not? So capital A, so this is the only option you have. If you go to this, capital B will do small b, correct? O. You can also do XBX, but capital A will do small e. The last symbol is B, so you should go to AB. Now we'll try that. S, now put AB. And what capital A? Capital you have two options, either A or XAX. But what capital B? Capital B I can do small b. Okay, I'll do it. And what capital A? XAX. XAX. And you want ABA, but capital A can do small a. And XX, what can be it? Oh, we want here small b. So not possible. That means AB, if you try to generate from here, it is not possible. It is not possible, right? If you go to this one, capital A will give you small a, but we want last symbol is B. So capital AB you cannot generate from here. If you generate, in case, I will be definitely wrong. So try again yourself. AB is not generated from here. So which language is not having that? This language. So this was the complement of WWX context free grammar. Yes, solutions होता है सौरभ. Elimination could be somewhat easier than understanding corresponding language. Just try another one. 23. Okay, what is the answer? I think this was easy, right? We tried yesterday this kind of question. What is it? A does A power n, B power n, and B does B star. So you are going to write AB, right? AB means A power n, B power n, B star, which makes A power I, B power j, where I less than or equal to j. J is either greater or equal to I. The number of B's is greater than or equal to is. So is options में which one is going to match? Option C. Option C, right? Number of B's, number of A's less than or equal to number of B's, and this is the right answer. Try the next one. If you are watching this video, please don't forget to like the session and also share if you have any friends want to practice. A is equal to A power n, B power n, but now B is equal to A star. Now if you want your language, then A B you have, sorry, B A, not A, B A, that is capital S does B A. What is B here? A star, A power n, B power n. So now when you look at this, this is number of A's definitely equal or greater than or equal to number of B's. Who is that? Option? Similar, right? For practicing, we should do such questions. Okay, to try this 25. I'll put the timer for this too. Don't need, you can directly practice. 1 minute hardly. What is the answer? A. Now we have two things, right? Anyhow, first we'll answer what is A and what is B. A power n, B power n. Properly. B is equal to A star. Now the language is AB union BA, correct? AB union BA or BA union AB. Both are correct. So what is A? A is A power n, B power n, and B is A star. Union, what is BA? BA is A star, A power n, B power n. Now how can you answer this with this one? Is it matching with any of this? W belongs to A star, B star only. But here W here even to generate A's after B's also. So here any of these three not possible, so you should go to none of this. Right? Understand the concept. Here the string even after B is also is possible because of this production AB. Okay? इसलिए आपको option A, B, C choose नहीं करना है. I don't know how everyone choosing A. This was okay. This is fine. A is greater than B's or equal to B's. But other strings are also there. Here, these strings are missing. So you should represent exactly the same L, not half of the L. Okay, fine. So what is your current status like? How many subjects you have prepared? ये भी एक बार चार्ट में शेयर कर लीजिए. So what is your condition now? Are you thinking that can you complete the syllabus or not? If not, then join free sessions and discuss with me. I'll help you how to plan for the remaining months. Revision is going on. So if you are doing revision, this kind of sessions really helps you for practice. You have not done complete syllabus, at least you have done 70 to 80%. Yes, you can start attending this kind of session. If you have not done even less than 50, if you have not done 50% also, focus on completion of the syllabus. Is answer. Now what is the C here? B star. What is a B? A star. What is a A? Does A power n, B power n. And what is your language? Either BA, A union AC. What BA does? B is A star, A is A power n, B power n. Union. What is AC? A means A power n, B power n, and C means B star. Now here what happens? A is greater than or equal to B's. Here A is less than or equal to B's. And when you do the union, what happens in any A's and B's? No condition, right? You have greater, you have less than, you have equal, all of them you have it. So any of this matching? No, the actual answer will be A star, B star. Of course, W belongs to A star, B star. Here greater than or equal only covered, here equal to cover, here less than or equal to. Answer should be none of this. Okay, sir. That means you should, those people who left with 2 to 3 subjects, right? Then start practicing now onwards. So you can devote the time. Let's say if you are preparing 8 hours a day, 8 hours daily, then 2 hours you can give for the revision and practice. Remaining 6 hours, focus on the completion. If you have more time, you can give more time for the practice and revision also. Go ahead. And if you want to discuss any difficulties, you can also join me at 11 a.m. Sorry, not 11 a.m., 11 p.m. today. Just after the session, I also have the general session on Unacademy, which is free class. Timing also. Yeah, 11 p.m. we have the session. Get 2025 month-wise planner. So I'll make a plan for you in case, you know, if you are discussing with me what is your strategy. if you see 1A, right? You see 1A, how many B's you can have? 2 B's, 3 B's, 4 B's. Maximum how many B's? 4 B's, right? So for 1A, you have maximum 4 B's. 1A, minimum 2 B's. Here 3, here 4. So what is the condition? Number of A's, if you have whatever, the minimum you will have the 2 times of number of A's. I think this is the right one. This is not the right one. The condition is the number of B's that you have in your string X or W. Not X, actually it's a W, okay? When this, all the 3 are not framed properly. So this is a condition. Number of B's in a W, if you look at minimum number of A's जितना है W उतना है, उतना भी नहीं है, twice, 2 times, right? So 1 A is there, then 2 B's. Now you matched it, and worst case maximum 4 times. 4 times number of A's. Now you take any, let's say 2 A's you have, then how many B's you can have? If I take only this, I can have 4 B's. 2A. Once if I take this and then this, I can have even 5 B's, right? If I want 6 B's, I'll take this 2 times, then I can have even 6 B's. Of course S is there, at the end we'll put epsilon here. If I take once this, then 3 plus 4, 7. 3 power 7, correct? And double A, I can also take, if I take this twice, then I will have a B power 8. So this condition is going to match. None of this? Yeah. But actual language is the 2 times of number of A's, minimum condition. Maximum condition for the B's is 4 times of number of A's. The number of B's will lie in between these 2 conditions in every string over A star B star. This is right. I think this would be easy. You can language also given, so we should think about what is your language. A, double A also possible, triple A possible by taking S with another time double S. So all of them you can generate except 1A. Is it same? Which of the following is true? W belongs to A star except O, epsilon. True. Is it ambiguous or not? Yes, if I want to generate triple A, I can generate 2 ways. Like here I can put A, here I can put double S, then I can get triple A. What is another way I can get? S derives double S. This side also I can substitute double S. I can get 3A's. 2 different parses I can generate the same string, so definitely it is ambiguous. It generates inherently unambiguous CFL. Inherently unambiguous CFL means this language, what is it? A plus. Is this inherently unambiguous? If it is inherently unambiguous, definitely there should be unambiguous grammar for it. No need to be here somewhere in the world. Can I write this way? S derives as or A? Yes. For A plus, we have unambiguous grammar in the world. That means this language is inherently unambiguous language. Unambiguous language. This is also called as unambiguous language. But not because of this, but because of this. So if any language in the world, any CFL in the world is having some unambiguous grammar, then you can call inherently unambiguous. Okay. It is also true. The answer is A, B, C. Answer is, it is ambiguous grammar, but language generated by this grammar is unambiguous language. All are true. It is ambiguous grammar, but the language that is generated is unambiguous language. It's MSQ A, B, C are true. Look at the first production itself, you can get the answer. What is capital A does? 0 plus 1 whole star. What is your language does? Grammar. Start symbol does. A, 0 plus 1 whole star, 0 plus 1 whole star, 0 plus 1. You have 3 ones. Here, sigma star you have. 0 plus 1 whole star. So is it at least 3 ones or not? If it is at most 3 ones, then you will have only 0 stars here, and in place of 1 you will have epsilon or 1. Exactly 3 ones means there 1 1 1 0 star 0 star 0 star 0 star for the option C. These two expressions looks different than the the last question, then we'll do remaining tomorrow. I think we should start now. Context free grammar we did enough practice. Now we should move to the push down automata. I saw the many students who are really faces a lot of difficulties in understanding PDA. Session will focus on. So really one interesting question right now. What looks like you have a 0 as a substring, but if you have a 0 as a substring, 0 should be generated. Yes, generated. 0 1 should be generated, and 1 0 should be generated. But is it generating? No. Look at that. If before choosing option A, then carefully look at the question that this grammar generates 0, then whatever you have here doesn't matter, but middle symbol definitely 0. You carefully look at 0 0 is there, 0 1 is there, 1 0 is there, 1 1 is there. So if you take anything here, because all possibilities are there, you can take anything, you can take anything, you can take anything, but the middle symbol is always 0. Yes or no? Because final S has to be substituted with 0 only. And because of this, how do you represent? W contains middle symbol as 0. B is the right one. If you say W starts with 0 or 1, then single 0, single 1 should generate, but single 1 is not generating here. Okay. The second option is absolutely correct one, because middle symbol always generates 0 and remaining is your choice how you want it. And the string definitely odd length only, because you want a middle symbol, right? If you want a middle symbol, then always the string has to be odd length here. So now today you have one session, 11 p.m. You can join a free class on Unacademy. Special class we call it as on Unacademy app. So already given the profile link, you can visit that profile link directly. You can find the session in free classes. You can join me today 11 p.m. if you have any doubts related to your preparation. In case if you want to take the subscription, you have the offer 8,000 for 6 months and 11,000 12 months. The code that you should not forget, CS. For all the offers that you see, the same code, and this offer is there for all of them. 28th August. All these batches are started on Unacademy right now. You can enroll to any of these courses, start your preparation. Both the test series are live, and this is a link where you can join me today at 11 p.m. and every day any free class that I take, you can join me. This is my profile on Unacademy. You can come to here, you can see the special classes, free classes. You can join me now 11 p.m. Okay. Thank you so much. For you, I'll take that. You wanted x, y, that length of x not equal to length of y, where x, y belongs to a plus b whole square. First, have you understood what is the language? Have you understood what is the language here? And in yesterday's session, I think I have already taken the grammar, right? So if you look at that, this grammar was already there. I no need to write. So now you'll visit the yesterday's session grammar. Just look at one of the option. I have taken this one. And when length of x not equal length of 5, can you write that? What is possibility? If I take this is 0 length, this is 1 length, not equal, right? Yes or no? That means can I get A or B? Epsilon I cannot get, correct? Any other? Oh, that was different. Okay. Let me write here another one, but later, not now. Can I have double A? I'll take this as 0. I'll take this as 2. Possible, right? Any 2 length I can get here. That means what you have asked me is very simple than what I was guessing. A plus B whole plus every string I can write as 2 parts. One part is not equal to other part. I can always represent. If you ask me A, B, A, whatever, then what I will do, X, Y, where X is epsilon and Y is this one. Then I will get A, B, A, and 0 and this 4 not equal anyhow. But the one which I am expecting, let's say another one, let's say this L1, L2, which is somewhat difficult. X, length of X is equal length of Y, but X not equal to Y. Different. And takes time. That yesterday I have discussed this. Okay. One of the context grammars. This is different from this one. A plus B whole plus, you can write a grammar very easily, right? AS or BS or A or B. There's a difficulty in writing. Okay. This was yesterday already discussed. This, look at the last class grammar. Okay. Fine. Thank you so much. And you can join free class. You can also ask there. And some grammars really takes time. That one of them is length of x is equal to length of y, but x not equal to y.